Hey, hi everyone. Thanks for choosing Network Rhinos. See, if you are 2022 and before year passed out, in that case, you have to do this following task mandatorily if you're looking for job placement also. My name is Vishnu Vardhanesh and I'll be your trainer for this particular small information. So basically, you have to go to a website called Cisco Community Forum. So basically what happens if you are 2022 and before passed out, HR might expect some scenario based questions. Now, how do I understand and learn scenario based question? For that, go to community.cisco.com and here search for the keyword called OSPF. Hit enter. And here click on the option open short path first. This link will be shared on your day one training. So here I'm trying to go back to a folder called networking. So under networking, if you are studying CCNA and CCNP bootcamp or only CCNA, I recommend you to go via forum or forum discussions on routing, SD-WAN, cloud networking, IPv6, and switching. If you have interest in any other modules, you can go. Basically, it's a community forum where we have students across the globe who will be posting a lot of real-time scenario-based questions here. So once someone unable to solve a problem, they will be putting the questions here. So if you go through these questions and check out the replies from other engineers, you can understand a lot of scenario-based questions. For example, here he's asking a question called where to download firmware 7841 for CME. In this question, you can understand that there is a firmware called 7841 and there is a device called CME. For example, here he's asking one question called hide wireless coverage range spin box. In this question, you understand that wireless coverage range is a topic and spin box is some kind of device. Now you can see that a lot of people might have replied here. You can see 4 answers. If I click on this question, here you can see detailed question with the output and there are a lot of replies for this. So try to do at least 2 questions per day so that within 20 to 30 days, you end up having 60 or 50 scenario based question. So in the interview, if the HR asks you a question, a scenario based question from your past experience, irrespective of your past experience, you can go through or tell them one of the scenarios. Thank you for watching. And once again, it is a must process if you are 2022 or before.